How can people be so cruel? Easy to be hard, easy to be cold. How can people have no feeling? How can they ignore their friends? Easy to be proud, easy to say no. How can people be so heartless? How can people be so cruel? Easy to give in, easy to help out. How can people have no feelings? How can they ignore their friends? Easy to be cold,